5 reasons to have protein before bed. The most crucial nutrient that the human body needs is protein. They are the building blocks of the body, aiding in the creation of new cells, mending damaged ones, and being necessary for the development and maintenance of muscle. An average healthy adult should consume between 10% and 35% of their daily calories from proteins. The precise amount needed, however, may differ depending on a person's body type, degree of exercise, and medical requirements. Protein is typically ingested for breakfast or following a strenuous exercise session. However, there has been a noticeable growth in the habit of consuming protein before bed in recent years. So is consuming a protein before bed different from consuming it during the day? Most individuals are shocked to hear that timing your protein intake can have a significant positive impact on your health. To learn more about the many advantages of consuming protein before bed, watch this video. 1. Muscle building and maintenance. Protein is essential for both gaining and preserving lean muscle mass. A biological process called muscle protein synthesis encourages the growth of muscle, whereas muscle protein breakdown results in the loss of muscular tissue. Consuming protein can help develop and repair muscles by stimulating muscle protein synthesis during the night, especially before bed. 2. Better athletic performance. Protein consumption can enhance athletic performance during resistance training and other workouts by promoting strength, endurance, and muscular building, especially before bedtime. 3. Assist with weight loss. Protein before bed can assist burn more calories when trying to lose weight since it raises the body's resting metabolic rate the next day. Additionally, your body needs more energy to process protein than it does carbs, which means you burn an additional 100 calories at night. 4. Boost the quality of sleep. Sleeping well is aided by consuming additional protein before bed. Tryptophan is an amino acid that the protein aids in the body's absorption. This particular amino acid releases serotonin, a hormone that makes you happy, and melatonin, a hormone that induces sleep. These two hormones work together to change the body's state from one of tension and exhaustion to one of renewal and relaxation. 5. Maintains metabolism. The body's metabolism can be regulated by having protein before bed, which is one of the less well-known advantages. As a result, the protein taken in aids in blood sugar stabilization by slightly raising levels, which typically decrease at night. Reduced blood sugar levels help to lower the rate of energy intake and slow down the metabolism. Different protein sources promote muscle protein synthesis in different ways. Thus, the kind of protein taken before bed has a significant impact on outcomes. There is sufficient data to conclude that consuming enough protein is essential for building muscle. Although most individuals can meet their daily needs for protein from their food alone, some may find that protein supplements, such as protein shakes, are beneficial. Incorporating a high-quality protein supplement into one's nightly routine can potentially aid in weight loss, muscle building, and recuperation when total day calories and activity levels are considered. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.